At Amazon, writing is a competitive advantage. It all began in 2004. Founder Jeff Bezos sent out an email. The subject line read, "No PowerPoint presentations from now on at S-Team," referring to Amazon's senior leadership meetings. The body of the email explained why. Bezos said PowerPoint-style presentations somehow give permission to gloss over ideas and ignore the interconnectedness of those ideas. In other words, PowerPoint was the worst way to share ideas and make decisions. But Bezos had a brilliant alternative. You might have heard of it. It's called writing. A well-structured narrative text is what we're after. Written narratives or memos at Amazon are called six-pagers. Jeff Bezos said it's much more difficult to write a memo than it is to write bullet points on a PowerPoint slide. And because it's harder, it forces better thinking. Overnight, Amazon was transformed into a writing culture. And to this day, every major idea, every new product starts out as a written memo.
No PowerPoints are used inside of Amazon. So every meeting, when we hire a new executive from the outside, this is the weirdest meeting culture you will ever encounter. And new executives have a little bit of, culture shock in their first Amazon meeting, because what we do is somebody for the meeting has prepared a 6-page memo, a narratively structured memo that is got, real sentences and topic sentences and verbs and nouns, not just bullet points. And it lays out and supposed to create the context for what will then be a good discussion. So, and then we read those memos silently in the meeting. So it's like a study hall.
Colin Breyer was working for Bezos when the PowerPoint ban was put in place. Colin's nickname was Jeff Shadow because he spent so much time with his boss. Here's how Colin remembers the day Bezos banned PowerPoint and how it changed everything.
And that was a key turning point. There's a lot of things that Amazon did that didn't really have a defined beginning. This was the beginning in June of 2004. And it was an experiment. And if it didn't work, we would have gone back to PowerPoint. But thankfully, we didn't. And it turned out to be one of the best moves we've made at Amazon, because it just allowed us to make better decisions with about 10 times the amount of information than we would have gotten in the same amount of time with a PowerPoint or a slide meeting.
Jeff Bezos is a founder and leader whose vision went far beyond selling products online. His communication tactics fueled Amazon's astonishing growth. And they'll work for you, too. Above all, do not underestimate the power of effective communication to turn your dreams into reality.